Good morning, guys. Welcome to another Voodoo vlog. Very exciting for me. I'm on the just taking out the new bike, BMW R 1250 GSA Trophy Edition. This is going to be the first longish ride for me. Sunday ride. I've only ridden the bike for about 5-6 kilometers, refueling and back. Heading to Gurgaon, getting late, all set. Going to mount the bike. It's different. The others are easy. This one you really need to kind of go up. It's got a bloody horse. Anyway, so heading out now. Have to get to Gurgaon ASAP, KMP, and then once we're done with KMP, then we head to that complex opposite Bristol for breakfast. That's the plan. I will catch you guys on the way. Okay, bye. So I've reached the meeting point. Sachkal sir, how are you ji?
I was beginning to wonder
नहीं
whether the ride is on or not.
मैं ही सोच रहा, I thought
7:40 and nobody's here.
मैसेजर निकल गए सारे. I thought I was late.
No, nobody's come. I was there at 7:20.
चलो बढ़िया जी. ओए होए होए. Doc, good morning. क्या हाल है यार? How are you? Thanks sir, thank you. Yeah, I didn't want to put the stock GPS mount. So that's for navigation.
So that's a phone, right?
That's a phone, iPhone. Only for navigation.
Oh.
And that's my phone which is connected to the bike. Android, iPhone connects better with the BMW on the cradle. So honestly, I don't remember the.
I love it. Love it.
It's all cool. Thank you. Thanks. Loud boys. Sir, how are you? Good morning.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very, very small group today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes. I think everybody else is probably planning to meet us at the breakfast venue.
I in my life have not seen a better looking cruiser.
Yeah?
I've not seen a better looking cruiser.
God bless. God bless. I hope. Long miles. But whenever the next ride is happening, whatever that Rajasthan, wherever I am in. Yeah, perfect. Done. So, sorry, coming back to that. 6 of us here, and I think the rest are going to join us at the breakfast venue. So that's the plan. And we're heading to KMP, like I said earlier. Okay, I'll catch you on the way. Excited. Just ridden. This was the first leg from home till this meeting point on the bike. Absolutely loved it. Now, time to move on. Okay, bye. So guys, just wanted to give you a quick feedback of what my thoughts are of the bike. A lot of you might have ridden it. I'm sure that a lot who haven't ridden such a bike and such a big bike. This is the adventure version of the 1250 GS. So it's got the 30-liter tank. So it's like as big as it could get in the adventure market. So so far, I'm telling you, I'm going to compare it to the Goldwing, though there is no comparison to the Goldwing. Goldwing was a 6-cylinder, flat, amazing, bike that was totally different. Again, a touring machine, but not an adventure touring machine. Low center of gravity, hardly any ground clearance. Absolutely sofa on 2 wheels. You guys have seen my earlier videos I had for 6 years. I am comparing it because this is as smooth as a Goldwing, but no, Goldwing was nimble. This is even more nimble than the Goldwing. This is even better as far as handling it right is concerned. The bike just turns itself. It's like you give it a little weight or little tilt, and it goes in the direction. It's like a bike that you're thinking you want to go left, it'll go left. You think you want to go right, it'll go right. You think you want to go straight, it'll go straight. It's amazing. I don't know. It's like this machine connects to your brain. I have not ridden a vehicle like this. I haven't ridden a two-wheeler, a motorcycle like this. I haven't driven a car, which gives me this kind of a feeling. So it's terrific. Obviously, I've hardly done any kilometers on it. It's only from Defcol, South Delhi to Goodbet. Now we're closer to Manesar. But I'm telling you, so far, my thoughts, outstanding. God bless. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm not going to record much today. My first longest ride. I'm going to get used to the bike. I'm going to enjoy the bike. But whatever I can, I will record. Alright. Oh, by the way, now that I've been chatting so much, we've reached the Manesar toll. Like I said, we're only 6 of us, so it shouldn't be too much of a stopping time right now. We'll just quickly move on. Okay, bye. We have reached the exit to KMP. So we've reached the exit on KMP, where we take a U-turn from. There seems to be something wrong with Anuj's bike, or there's something up because he's been riding slow. They stopped in between. I was a little ahead. So we'll find out what's up with his bike. Though it seems absolutely fine from the way he's been riding, just that he slowed down and everybody slowed down. We'll check it out. Alright. So there's nothing wrong with his bike. Raman just told me that his number plate has gotten loose. So he's afraid that it'll probably fall off. Oh, so basically one rivet's come out.
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere. Doesn't matter. वो लटकी रहेगी. This is not going to open up. ये खुलेगा थोड़ी.
Take it out. No.
No, why take it off? Let it be.
This is gonna be holding pretty well.
हाँ, this will hold. कुछ नहीं उतरने वाली. कहीं नहीं जाएगी ये. So we just stopped at the Taru exit on KMP. Now we're just moving. Stopped for about 10 minutes. Did a little photo shoot. Raman's here, Anuj is there, Doc's there, the other boys are there. That's the beast in all its glory. Woohoo! The Beamer 1250 GSA. Love it. So you've got three Beamers. And we've got the Katana, we've got the Ninja 1000 SX, we've got Doc's earlier generation Tena, the new Busa. That's it. That's the lineup for today. Let's see who all make it to breakfast. Okay, I'll catch you guys once I'm on the bike. Bye. Moving now from the KMP exit onto we're going. Sorry, what am I saying? We're moving to Bristol Hotel, the complex opposite Bristol Hotel, as always for brekkie. We'll catch you guys once there. Hopefully there'll be a few more people at the brekkie point. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. Reached our breakfast venue at Bristol, opposite Bristol, just entering now. Alright guys, leaving now, very late. What's the time? It is almost 11 AM and I'm still here in Gurgaon. We finished breakfast, very small group. We had about 6 more bikes later who had joined us for brekkie. Finished and now going back home. I will close the video once I'm on the bike and once I start moving. Thank you guys for tuning in. Just finished the ride. I am at Moti Bagh flyover right now on my way back home. Super ride, awesome ride. I've done 130 kilometers today so far. Another 6 kilometers I should be home. So lovely ride guys. Thank you for tuning in. What a machine. Fallen in love with it. Amazing. This even could be a daily rider, you know. It's in spite of the size, I think it's phenomenal. Anyway, thank you guys. Lovely. Traffic jam. It's 11:30 AM Sunday. It's getting warm now. So we'll catch you hopefully next weekend. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Look into Instagram. Look into YouTube for high definition videos on a larger screen. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.